The anticipation for a new Ferrari model always ignites the automotive world, and the unveiling of the 2024 Ferrari 12-cylinder two-seater slim sports car is no exception. Ferrari enthusiasts and automotive aficionados alike eagerly await the release of this sleek and powerful sports car, which promises to deliver an exhilarating driving experience unlike any other. Iconic Ferrari design. True to Ferrari's tradition of excellence in design, the 2024 model boasts a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette that exudes elegance and sophistication. With its slim profile and aggressive stance, this two-seater sports car commands attention on the road and embodies the timeless allure of the Ferrari brand. Powerful 12-cylinder engine. At the heart of the 2024 Ferrari lies a formidable 12-cylinder engine that promises breathtaking performance. Delivering an exhilarating blend of power and precision, this engine is engineered to propel the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds, ensuring an adrenaline-charged driving experience with every push of the throttle. Unparalleled driving dynamics. Built to deliver an unparalleled driving experience, the 2024 Ferrari is equipped with cutting-edge technology and advanced engineering to maximize performance and handling. From its responsive steering to its agile chassis, every aspect of the car is finely tuned to deliver precise control and exhilarating agility on the road and the track. Luxurious interior. Step inside the cockpit of the 2024 Ferrari and you'll find yourself surrounded by luxury and refinement. From the finest materials to the latest in automotive technology, every detail is meticulously crafted to elevate the driving experience to new heights. With its comfortable seating, intuitive controls, and state-of-the-art infotainment system, the interior of the Ferrari offers both comfort and convenience for driver and passenger alike. Exclusivity and prestige. As with all Ferrari models, the 2024 sports car embodies a sense of exclusivity and prestige that sets it apart from the competition. With its limited production and legendary performance, owning a Ferrari is not just about driving a car. It's about becoming part of a storied legacy and joining an exclusive community of automotive enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 2024 Ferrari 12-cylinder two-seater slim sports car represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. With its breathtaking performance, luxurious interior, and unparalleled prestige, it promises to captivate the hearts and minds of enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a first-time buyer, experiencing the thrill of driving a Ferrari is an experience like no other.